Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix microphone cutting out on Discord. So let's start. So I'm here on Discord app. Just go to the left side and just scroll down and then let's go to user settings. Just click there. And then let's go to the left side. There is a menu with many options. Just go to voice and video in app settings. Just click there and then go to input device. Here just you have to check if your microphone is the correct one, and then also you can check the microphone test. Just click on let's check and you can check if it is working correctly. So when you check it, just stop the testing. Then just go to here to automatically determine input sensitivity. Just click there and deactivate it. If you check, well, this is the black line. Well, it means the sensitivity of your microphone. So what you have to do is take this one and go a little bit down until here. And then probably with this you will fix the microphone cutting out on Discord. As you can check, it's very easy. So that's the tip I can give you. The first is check input device, then just check your microphone test, and then deactivate the sensitivity on your microphone. So I hope one of these works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.